Hello, my name is Robert Baptista. This is the sheep heart dissection for biology 221 lab walkthrough of the heart. So the first structure to note is the aorta, which is located right up here near the top of the heart. Then we have the apex, which is actually the point at the bottom of the heart. There's several arteries that you can actually see here. They're the large vessels up near the top. Specifically, though, they're the ones that carry blood away from the heart. The atrium, or the two upper chambers of the heart, we cut into one right up here. The base of the heart is where all the blood vessels attach that enter and exit the heart. It's kind of this whole upper region here. The bicuspid valve, there's one that's located down underneath in here, moves between the left ventricle and left atrium. Actually ran a probe up through that. The brachiocephalic trunk is again located up in this area. That's the branch of the aorta that forms the right subclavian artery and right common carotid artery. The chordae tendineae, we were able to see a couple of those. Actually, if I can hold this well, you can see a couple of them right there in about the middle. That's actually a cut one. Those are the fibrous cords that connect the valves with the papillary muscles. The coronary artery is the artery that actually supplies blood back to the heart. Tough to tell here because it would normally wrap back onto itself. The inferior vena cava, we can kind of see if we flip the heart over, is right up here in this region. And that's the vein that actually comes back and gives a lot of the blood from the lower portion of the body back to the heart. The interventricular septum is this large, unfortunately kind of butchered wall here. That's the muscle between the left and right ventricles. The papillary muscles are what you can see the chordae tendineae actually being attached to, if you can see them in there. I'm having a hard time holding the heart and camera at the same time. The semilunar valve is a valve between the aorta and left ventricle. That's what I was saying that we actually ran a probe down through. The superior vena cava is actually located very close to the inferior vena cava here on the back side of the heart. I believe it's this little opening right here actually. The trabeculae carneae are the ridges and folds within the heart wall. You can kind of see some right in there where it's kind of just bumpy along the back side there. The tricuspid valve is actually located right under this little flap here. That's what we pushed a probe through to see into that ventricle there. And the ventricles are, of course, the two large chambers located at the bottom of the heart. Thank you very much.